Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex Daytona. This one is a two-tone stainless steel and yellow gold Daytona with a black diamond dial. Model reference number for this watch is 116503, and the retail price on this watch as of 2022 is $19,900 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet. And I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Daytona is a 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a full size for most guys. Case material is 904 stainless steel. The sides and legs of the case are polished to a mirror finish. It has a screw down case back in the back for extra waterproofness. The case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. You should make sure that your chronograph button pushers are screwed down properly. Let's try this watch on for size. Put that on my wrist. This watch fits me perfectly. For reference, I have just under a 7-inch wrist. I'm looking at 6.75-inch wrist. The legs don't go over my wrist, so it looks proper on my wrist. Could use a few less links. Now going on to the bezel. This Rolex Daytona has a high polished yellow gold bezel. There's a tachometric scale that's engraved into it. The scale has an easy to read black indices. You got the little triangle indices as well. If I can get that in focus. There's a nice contrast between the yellow gold bezel and the black diamond dial. It wraps up this dial nicely. I like these triangle points as far as points of reference on the chronograph bezel, the tachometer. Now going on the dial, we're looking at this beautiful black dial with diamond hour markers. And if you notice, if you look closely, you'll be able to see Arabic numbers at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position, the 15, 30, and 45. Other than that, the hour markers have diamonds for hour markers. So this diamond dial does not have any luminescence on it, so it's going to be hard for you to read this in the dark or low light conditions. Going on in the crown here at the 3 o'clock position, we can wind it in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position, we'll adjust the hour and minute hands, like so. Once you have your hands set, you can just pop down your crown and screw it down. Your watch would be set. Now the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 4130. It has the hour, minute, and chronograph function. You see here, you have chronograph pusher up on the top here, top right, and the bottom right. This is the start and the stop position. This is the reset position back to the 12 o'clock position. I can demonstrate that for you. You'll see the chronograph hand or second hand moving around the dial. You can stop that hand with the top pusher or start it again. And you can also reset that chronograph second hand back to the 12 o'clock position by depressing the bottom right pusher. Pretty easy, simple. But before you go swimming, you probably want to screw these crowns, these pushers down. Now going on to this, the movements, staying with the movement, we're looking at a 72-hour power reserve on the movement. So you could set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it up on a Monday morning, it's still going to keeping time. Now this watch does have a self-winding oscillator, which means you just wearing the watch is going to be winding the watch as you wear it. So going on to the bracelet, it holds this watch. We're looking at a two-tone yellow gold and stainless steel Oyster bracelet. It's high polished center links. and satin finish on the stainless steel portions of the bracelet. There's a safety folding Oyster clasp. It keeps the watch tightly on your wrist, nice and tight. I'll display it how it opens up. Just a simple fold over. I might add that it also has the Easy Link feature here under the buckle. So if you press this, pull it out, it's actually going to open this bracelet up another 5 millimeters to allow it to breathe on your wrist a little bit better. This happens when you get when you're going out and you're hot. Your wrist tends to swell up, and this Easy Link feature is going to alleviate this watch from squeezing your wrists. Now, as far as what I think about this watch overall, this is a good watch to wear on a weekend. This does not have a date function on it, so some of you who need a date feature on your watch might not find this as useful as one with like a Submariner or a GMT. Now, it's not too chunky. It slips under the cuff easily. There's a really good looking yellow gold bezel. I really like how that contrast looks with the black diamond dial. I should easily turn on the heads. Easy to recognize as a Rolex Daytona. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 116503. This is the two-tone Rolex Daytona with a black diamond dial. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.